Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I will be sharing how I am packing my Skip Hop Take It All backpack. Whoa, I think that's the name. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so I really haven't prepped this. This is how it looks after a trip to Target. So I'm thinking it's still organized because I'd like to keep it neat, but we'll see what we'll find. For starters, it has a little zip pocket at the top that I didn't think I would use that much, but I actually do. In here I have a receipt, some Kleenex, 2 lip products, 2 wet ones, little nail clippers, 5 cents, and my hairspray. It has 2 really large insulated bottle pockets, and it also includes stroller straps. In this bottle pocket, I have my daughter's Zoli water bottle, and in the other, I have my son's and just a regular bottle of water. It has a flap that closes with a little clip. I don't always close it. It's because the drawstring is pretty strong. But before I do that, let me just check this pocket. This pocket doesn't have any type of organization, so what I have been doing is using my Lily Jade pouches. These are amazing. I love them. I know that they are expensive, but I thought they would go great with my Ryla pack and with this bag. And in here I just have all of my mommy things. I have my wallet, some earbuds, mints, more lip products, cell phone charger, and then I have a little, what's that called? Like a little mini planner from my Erin Condren. And I think that's it. Right in front of it, I had my phone. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. I have a few coins at the bottom. A little lip balm. This is an EOS. And tucked to the little gusset, I have my flashlight. Okay, so that's it for the outside. I will say that the backpack straps, when you get the bag, it's already set up at its longest. I'm not the biggest person in the world, and it's kind of just right, so keep that in mind. Attached to one of these little D-rings, this is intended for the stroller straps. I have my Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, and then the drawstring keeps the bag nice and tight. Let me see if I can move the cameras to show you better. I'm hoping this is a little bit better of a view. It's kind of a little bit messy right now, but right on top in this main section, I have a Skip Hop container for my son. This had Cheerios inside. And I have another one for my daughter. I also have a little bag, and this was from when we pumped gas. And these are Chips Ahoy cookies, just in case of a meltdown. We had 2 in here, and one of them is gone. Also, I have a little pack of Ritz crackers. And I don't know if you can see very well, but the only other 2 things inside of the main portion is a white pouch in the Catacorn print, and this is a medium-sized Lily Jade packing pouch. In here I have 2 diapers and a Munchkin disposable change pad. I also sometimes put a white pouch in here with extra wipes. So the bag has 2 stretchy pockets and then a big pocket in the back. In this stretchy pocket I have a Jujube medium set piece in the Unikiki print. And this has a whole bunch of snacks. It has 2 applesauces, 2 fig bars, fruit snacks, and just simple things to keep my kids happy. And in the pocket next to it, I have a Jujube coin purse in Sea Punk. And this has a little hairbrush, band-aids, bobby pins, little hair ties, hair elastics, and things like that. And underneath that, I had 6 cards. So in this back pocket, I have the large Lily Jade packing pouch. And this basically has like entertaining type things. It has a couple of play packs, some indestructible books. It also has a little coin purse filled up with lollipops. I usually also have a set of Bumpkins super bibs because this is mostly used when we eat out. And this is also supposed to be in that pouch. These are for cleaning my kids if they're messy and we are eating out. And that is everything. It is super spacious. So because the Skip Hop Downtown Chelsea backpack, man, those names are long, is so popular, I have been looking at it for, I think, over a year, but I didn't like the material. And I saw this one on Amazon. It was less than $70. I think it was $65. I'm not sure, but I did get it on Amazon. It got here obviously 2 days later, and I think that the material is much nicer than the Downtown Chelsea, and it is super spacious. I have been in love with my Ryla pack, you already know that. And because I am expecting baby number 3, I am aware that it is going to be too small for our family. That's just the truth. And I was looking for something that I could use without me feeling like I am having to take my entire home with me or a duffel bag. So this bag actually fits everything that I am going to need for my 3 kids, all 3 in diapers. You know, having 3 kids that will be 2 and under. So I think that it is a really nice bag. I don't know if it will last or not. I will definitely keep you updated. But if you like this or found this useful, let me know with a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.